Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be working on a scrapbook layout for my memory planner. So I wanted to go ahead and I took this picture the other day of my dogs with my kid, and yes, I know his head is a little cut off, but the dogs were perfect. They were all together, so it's kind of like all my favorite people in this one picture. I mean, except my boyfriend, he's missing from this picture, but it's not here or there. So I just wanted to kind of like memory plan this picture because I thought it was so cute, and even Dory looks adorable. So they all looked adorable in this picture. So I've kind of had some little components here that I've kind of laid out. I know I'm a little prepared, but I like kind of seeing if it's gonna go together. So I got like a little kit from Hobby Lobby, which had actually like stickers, came with like paper, it came with a bunch of stuff. I thought that was super cool, and I thought it would be perfect for my dog layout. So what I did was the first thing I did was I cut here a sheet to fit this embossing folder that I found, which is super cute. It's little dog bones, and I like the fact that it has this opening here because this opening allows me to put a title there. So I thought that was great. So that was the first part I did. I have a big like die cutting machine, so I didn't want to have that here on the table, but I went ahead and I embossed this, and then I made sure to cut it along the side so that this would be like kind of like a focal point, but to put the title here. So, and then I also cut this strip, which is 2.5 by 6.87, give or take, or 6.90, sorry, for this, which I'm thinking may be able to go down here is my initial idea for it. And then I cut this one at 2.5 by 8.25. So my other thoughts for this one is to kind of like layer it here, so you would have this one in the bottom and you'd have this one on the top. Then my thoughts for the pictures is to put this here where you kind of have some of the yellows seeping through, and then the other picture could go here. But now the kit that I got actually had this cute little Polaroid looking die cut, which I thought was super cute, and coincidentally it is a perfect fit for the picture. I didn't even do this on purpose. I cut the picture at 3.75 by 3.75, and this actually fit perfect. So now I have like little embellishments, which I'm kind of playing around with, because I know there's a lot of pink going on, and these little embellishments that I like actually have a lot of pink. So I was actually thinking I could actually put this here, so that way I could put the title there, but it really depends on what the title is going to be. And this is kind of like where I want to journal. I don't want to overlay it here because it'll get lost, or here because it'll kind of get lost. So I'm thinking the best way to actually do it will actually be, oh, this all went out of the way, will actually be to put it somewhere tucked away under this, where I can still kind of like add my little comments, but at the same time it's behind a peach background, which I think will give it a lot of little pop to it. So, and then this little bone is just cute, so I don't know, like I'm thinking maybe here or maybe even here, but that feels like too busy. But maybe here or maybe here. I think it'll fit best here, where it's kind of like having a little mark there. So far that's what I'm playing around with. Now I'm the type of person I just go and do, so let's see what we got here and if it works. I actually just thought of something, because maybe I could do this somewhere. No, I think it may be too busy. So let's go ahead and let's start adhering. So let me move all this apart, so that way I can start adhering the different components. Now, the other part that I'm kind of debating with is if this should be here. Maybe I should put it backwards, maybe layer it like this, and maybe do the picture here. I think that may actually be a lot better. And then technically I can do this here and it wouldn't look too busy. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this. Okay, so let's go with it. So we're gonna do that there. I kind of like it. So then we have this here. Maybe I can even put the little bone here like that. We'll figure this out. Or maybe here. we'll get to this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lay down my picture. This is a little tricky to do because I have to adhere the picture first and then make sure it's gonna be perfect to then layer the top, but make sure I'm not cutting anything off. Kind of a little complicated. Didn't want to chop my kid's head off in any way whatsoever. Okay, so I am thinking this is gonna fit perfectly there, so I'm gonna adhere that. I don't have too much to say about this picture, but it's there, it's gonna look cute. I really want to include this bone, but I don't know where to include it. We'll figure this one out. Really thinking this will look cute here. Now, did this come with letters and my title. So now I do want to use something I got, which is this. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's for stickers, but it doesn't matter, you can use it for this too. But it would allow me to align my letters so that way I make sure that I am able to, one, layer them once I'm ready. You kind of have it on the ruler, then you kind of position it where you want, and they feel that that's pretty centered, and then you press down your letters, and then you remove the bottom, and voila, you got perfect title. That's amazing. I really like that, how that came out. That was the first time using this. I'm so excited. Okay, so now I do have this embellishment that I want to use somewhere, which I could possibly use it there, but I just feel like it doesn't fit in. So we'll continue. Now I want to use some of these stickers that were in this cute little kit, and I'm gonna move this down so you can see. So we have a lot of little phrases here. So let me see, what do I like? I could do a little ball, because both our babies love balls. I'm gonna do it here. And maybe do another colored ball here. I don't care if it feels a little too busy on this end, but I think that's cute for the ends. Oh no, the sticker broke. 2 stickers are broke, but you know what? We're gonna make this happen. Luckily they're clear, so you won't even notice. The trick is to make sure that you position it perfectly so nobody notices. And I think that came out pretty good, like right there. It's pretty good. Okay, so we're good there. Now, you know what? I like this sticker. It says wolf. I know my kid is not a dog, but that fits pretty good there. Yeah, I think from these stickers, that's probably the last one I'm gonna use. Really a shame I don't have any use for this, but I don't want to kill it either with way too much stuff. Now, what I do want to do is I want to stamp the date that I took this picture. Of course, I can't find my little one, so I'm gonna be using this big. And this picture was on June 9th. There's a lot of colors you can use for the stamp. Instead of black traditional, I'm actually going to do one of these colors so that way it complements the rest of the layout. And I'm thinking I'm going to probably stamp it here. Yeah, so it doesn't go over there. Yeah, I think that's perfect. So I'm going to use this lighter one. Just like a kind of, oh, you know what? No, I'll do the yellow. So it's not an eyesore, but it's not extremely lost, so. Okay, it may have not been the best choice of color because it kind of blends, but it's okay. I kind of like that. It's not the eyesore that sticks out. And then now to write in my journaling there, I am going to go ahead and use a permanent marker, or a Sharpie pen will do too. To capture the fact that no treats were used to gather that picture. And this is my layout. Hope you like it. Nothing out of this world, but it will be going in my memory planner to go ahead and document this. And this is what I have for June 9th. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.